When I did this exercise, I do this exercise quite a bit actually, but when I did this exercise for the first time several years ago, it was huge for me because it gave me this empowering feeling of what my future could be. And it gives me kind of an anchor of where I want to go. When I did this, I saw myself waking up naturally without an alarm clock and feeling completely refreshed and waking up in this huge king size bed. And I remembered the whole room was completely white. My sheets were white and there was these big, huge open windows to the left of me, ceiling to floor windows. And I felt this cool ocean breeze come in and I could hear the ocean kind of roaring in the background. And I can feel myself putting my feet down on this cold marble floor and walking out and just looking at the beautiful beach in front of my villa. And I'd see myself going for a run and a workout on the beach and then coming back and just enjoying working from my laptop on my villa's patio and feeling the warm sun just hit my skin. And I was really clear and vivid with my imagination when I did this exercise. And so then I saw myself surfing in the afternoon and wiping out a few times and just enjoying the salt water on my lips and the taste of it, and enjoying later in the afternoon a beautiful sunset on the beach and having all my friends over to my bonfire as the nightfall came, and there's stars everywhere, and we're having dinner over an open fire and enjoying great conversation, cooking up some s'mores and having them all melty and gushy and enjoying great wine, obviously a cab for what I love, and having some laughs and then seeing myself at the end of the day get back home and just feel myself relax into my king size bed and just thinking to myself, man, what a fucking great day. And I also see myself when I start visualizing my future at the time was, flying around the world and, making the world my office and, trying all these different foods from all over the world and these different cultures and meeting and seeing all these different peoples and realizing that everything's very different, but everything's very similar too. And I'd see myself, having chefs prepare all my meals in my house and also obviously when I went to restaurants and, I think about restaurants too quite a bit, and I'd see myself at these high-end restaurants with amazing ambiance and butter dripping off my filet mignon and my scallops and my lobster tail, and just sipping on a deep red cab from my favorite vineyard in California. So now it's your turn. I want you to see what your mind comes up with naturally of the vision of your ultimate future, the best year of your life. What does that look like for you? And the awesome thing about this is make it play like a movie because you're going to be transported like you're there. Just keep it simple because believe me, the good shit sticks. Trust yourself on this exercise. Trust your intuition. It's always right. I'll give you as long as you need. Just get it done.